Hi from Lily's Cupcake. Hi from Lily's Cupcakery and hi from Germany. Today I'd like to show you how to make something on your own that usually you only get to buy, and that is how to make your own Nutella. Now here's the deal with Nutella. Everyone loves it in Germany, everyone loves it in the US and across the world. And I like to eat it once in a while, not always, but after a while I kept thinking to myself, my God, there's so much sugar in there. Like really, like half of the glass is just sugar. And then there's the palm oil, and there's a lot of issues concerning the palm oil. So I said, why not just make it yourself? And it's really easy. You wouldn't believe it how easy it is. 5, my favorite number, is the number of ingredients we'll need. You need milk, sugar, butter, dark chocolate, you can also use milk chocolate, and ground hazelnut. And then I put some vanilla sugar into my normal sugar, but you can also use like a teaspoon of vanilla extract. That is up to you. And that is it already to make our own Nutella. I will put down all the measurements down in my description, so after the video you can take your time and just check everything and go buy your stuff. Now let's get started. You will need a pot, and a whisk, and now start cooking your milk. As soon as it starts boiling, we add our sugar. And when it's cooking, you reduce the heat a little. And then you take your butter make sure that it fully dissolves. All right, and now in goes your chocolate. You take it off the heat and you stir in your hazelnut. All right, now what we're gonna do next is that we take our Nutella and we fill it into little mason jars that I have here. Also, I have some of my stickers. Now just pour your Nutella into your mason jar. Now I love the idea with the mason jars because you can just store it in your fridge for yourself, but you can also give them away as presents, which is what I will do. You just have to make sure that you eat it up within 6 to 7 days because there are all natural ingredients in there, which does not make it last for 3-4 months or even longer as the regular Nutella. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna screw on the lid, and then it goes into your fridge. Let it cool completely, and then we'll start decorating the glasses. I will now start decorating my mason jar, and then I'm gonna give it to one of my friends who is, I think, the biggest Nutella fan in the entire world. So her judgment is very important. Now, if you like my little video on how to make homemade Nutella without any preservatives, less sugar, and no palm oil, then I want you to go and make it at home. Use the hashtag Lily's Cupcakery and post it onto my Facebook or Instagram so I can see it. And now don't just spread the Nutella, but also spread the news that there is a video in English showing you how to make Nutella. And don't forget to subscribe. I see you in 2 weeks. Take care and bye-bye.